Hello everybody. Today we are hanging out with Uncle Joe again. We've got another Volvo meeting on today. Don't know where we're going. I'm at Joe's shop. He said meet me here at 8. Done. So I'm here. I guess I'm getting another ride in another one of Joe's gems. We're going to find out. Really looking forward to it. As I said in the last video, looking to meet some more people, get some more connections, some more contacts to go and look at more cars in a different part of Malaysia. So what's not to love? This will be a good fun Sunday. For next weekend I have rebooked my my bus trip to JB, and I've moved it to Sundays so that I'll get to go to the car show, the big car show, the big car event they're talking about. I'll get to go to that on Saturday, so much looking forward to that as well. Just gonna hang around here and see when Uncle Joe turns up. Oh, perfect. Not sure what's happening, but a couple of boys have shown up to the workshop and they've got one of the gems out from underneath the lift. I guess they're getting it warmed up for the day. Sounds so good. It's just that, you know, classic carburetor warm up in the morning. Like, yeah, sounds great. Anyway, Joe will be here soon, I'm sure. Hello, Alan.
Morning. Can you fit in here?
Oh, she's low. This is awesome. I'm part of the Volvo club in Australia.
Oh, I see.
So I'm documenting Volvos from other places in the world.
I see.
Yeah.
You have one yourself?
Two 245s.
245, okay.
Yeah. I modify cars though.
Oh, okay.
One has a V8, a Chevy V8, and one is turbo Volvo engine.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It's fun. It's fun, the V8. 6-speed manual as well.
I see, okay.
Burns the rubber off the tires and everything.
That's awesome. I only saw, I think the most power, I think is on YouTube, the wagon, which he raced with the Ferrari.
Oh yes, the Amazon wagon, I've seen it.
Walks or something. That's Swedish guy or something.
Yeah, it's like a twin turbo V8 or something, isn't it? Or something crazy. Oh, here we are. There's Mike.
Oh yeah, you saw Uncle Mike?
Yeah, I know Uncle Mike. Whoops, we missed it.
Yeah, I thought there's an entrance here.
Oh wow. Now this was the Mercedes-Benz that had the beers in the back of it in one of our last videos, so I'll go and find Ali and see if he's got some more beers for us today. I don't think so, it's probably a bit early.
Okay.
Where's that wagon? Are you going to marry me to a car, Joe? Oh, this must be the two-door that's modified. This must be Alan's car. This must be your car. Yeah, great. It looks awesome, man. Oh, wow. This is her, eh? This is awesome. I can see why Uncle Joe was a bit. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, he knows. I told him mine. He said he modified his with V8.
Yeah.
I said here we cannot do. We got V8 engine.
Why?
One day he brought one to the shop, right? Telling me at the road.
All you
I got
can get. Look around, can get. And put it on run. What else? Put it on run. In the color, we know.
The rims, I engraved them.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So the paint, yeah, you see, it's all cracking up already.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But from a
It's about
distance.
7 years, yeah.
Yeah, well, I saw 2017 was your airbrush. So, yeah. And you've got the side exit exhaust as well.
It was connected.
Oh,
It
okay.
was too loud. So
Ah.
I hid up. And when
don't
you were
need the
younger,
problem.
it was so
Yeah.
it's damn loud because there are two here and two the other side.
Yeah, okay,
Uncle
okay.
makes a lot of noise for that as well.
Yeah,
And the back whole side. Yeah. All these I did in Indonesia.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how old were you when side exit exhaust was too loud? Did you hit 35 and go, oh no, like it's too loud, like I can't?
Because they drive long distance, like to Thailand and
Yeah.
all. Once it goes the long distance,
It's droning in your ears.
it starts eating into your ears. So I say, it's okay. We enjoyed the sound
Yeah.
for a few years. Now you just let it go.
Yeah.
Come. Okay.
Oh, I better get in the car. Are you sure? Yeah. See, looks so good. Where are we going? Here comes Joe. Oh, looks so good. Nice 240. And the Red Devil. This one's flying. And the Benz. The wedding Benz. I'm getting married in a car today. And here's Ali. Ali in the Benz. Thank you, Alan.
No problem. They're good doing work. We tag him on Facebook.
I hope they're paying you well. Yeah?
No,
No?
They're paying him with beers.
Oh well, that's okay. Yeah, that.
Just hope the filter goes in the right way.
Wow. Yeah, yeah. Everything looks brand new.
Just out of the factory.
Yeah. 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 Wow. Oh, it's all digital. Oh. So is that from another car?
No.
No, that's all custom.
Brand new from Dartford Instruments, US. Brand new.
Wow, yeah. That's great.